Imagine having a button you could press to instantly receive $1. What if you had unlimited opportunities to do it throughout the day? Just consider the amount of money you could make by pressing a few buttons on a computer or mobile device without any special knowledge or professional training. This approach is both widely accessible and affordable. In the video, I'll give you 2 unique tips, so pay attention. If you miss such suggestions, you won't be able to earn any money, so keep monitoring and paying attention. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. Using the website Paydera.com will make money online today. Before visiting the website and attempting to navigate it on your own, I strongly suggest that you watch this video first. In this article, I'll cover a wide range of subjects, including how to sign up for a free account, extra advice on how to make money quickly, step-by-step instructions, and a mistake you should avoid to successfully withdraw your winnings. By just completing surveys, you may make money with Paydera. You can earn money while working, and the payoff is prompt. You should receive cash right away on the first day. This may be accessed from any country in the globe, thus there are no country limits. It can be carried out using a computer or a portable device. The aspect of this device that I appreciate the most is that you can start withdrawing your money right away once you reach the $5 minimum payout threshold, and you can have it in a day. There is no limit to the number of jobs you can work each day or the amount of money you can earn each day. Towards the end of this video, if you stick with me, I'll reveal secret methods you may use to continuously make money by simply clicking a few buttons. As you can see, Paydera.com offers a lot of chances for you to make money. You can sign up for numerous activities on one website, completing surveys, post videos, invite and recommend friends to earn extra cash, write articles, and much more. They have over 654,000 members, have completed over 5 million assignments, and have distributed more than $1 million to users worldwide. Keep reading as I'll show you how to make money in a similar way. People keep making money on this platform. I can show you tens of thousands of payment records to demonstrate how effective this is without a doubt. With this chance, everyone can begin making money, which is without a doubt fantastic. To access this page and create a free account, just click the blue Create an Icon symbol at the top. Before choosing Sign Up and Make My Account, you must enter your name, username, email address, and password. Once you have successfully registered, you can begin completing surveys, installing apps, performing tasks, inviting friends, and posting videos. You can do a lot of things to get money, and I'll show you how to do each one. After entering into your account, you can do surveys exactly like this. There are an infinite amount of surveys available for you, and more are uploaded every day. More surveys will show up when you hit the refresh button. I am aware that the surveys available here only have a value of $0.40 or 50 cents. The secret though happens here, so allow me to show you how you may greatly boost your earnings using simply this website. I'll show you through a real presentation while showing you exactly what buttons to press to begin making money. Let me give you an example using this survey. You can access this website by simply clicking Take Surveys, where you can start filling out surveys by clicking the buttons. The survey will load automatically on the website when you simply click the blue Start Survey button. Once it has finished loaded, they will start asking questions. The first question, what is your gender, is an example. All you have to do is choose either male or female. You can select any options by clicking. Your response is not necessary. Scroll down to the bottom and click the next button. Make sure you select the right button because it is tucked away at the bottom of the website. You merely need to browse to the very bottom of the web page and click on Continue. You don't even need to answer any questions on this page. The website will load once again and you will see Scroll Down to Continue. One of the reasons I like this website is that you can earn 50 cents for each button you click on it. For correctly answering 2 questions, you will receive $1. For correctly answering 2 questions, you will receive $1. To move on to the next question, click anywhere, then scroll down and choose Next. This can be done every day, at any time. Here, you can see the answer to the fourth query. As you scroll down below, click the next button to continue answering more questions. Simply finish this one. Go to the bottom of the page, repeat the steps below, and click continue to add another 50 cents to your account. You can repeatedly click the button, scroll down, and choose next without having to enter any information. To keep making money continuously, just click the button, choose the next button, scroll down, and click continue. If you want to get more money, you can do this for numerous surveys. The best thing about this website is that after completing the first 10 surveys, you may access surveys that pay you twice as much. There are many surveys accessible. For example, you may earn $1 instead of 50 cents for each survey you complete, and you could earn $2 after completing an additional 10 surveys. Make sure to follow the same process to double your money for every additional 10 surveys that you finish. You might be perplexed as to why this website will pay you to click on buttons. Is it authentic or a scam? They are merely paying you to click the continue button so that they may show you the advertising on their website. This website has 3 ads in all, and if you click in one of them by mistake, it will make money. They want you to unintentionally click on the advertisement so that they can make money. They try to cram as many adverts as they can onto a single page because of this. Additionally, they want you to keep looking through their pages and clicking the next button in the hopes that one of these ads will be clicked unintentionally and earn them money. To save time, go to the bottom of the website, click continue, and then repeat the procedure numerous times. This website also asks visitors to sign up, click on buttons, do surveys, and then cash out. Sometimes they ask you irrational questions. Simply choose one of the answers, scroll down, and hit next. Users will gain from a paid advertisement that appears on the page as they do this. The smart move in this case is to ignore adverts. They make an effort to make it difficult so you will click on them. All you have to do is scroll to the bottom and click continue. You can click on buttons on this website to carry out a range of chores and continuously earn money. Every nation is eligible for this opportunity. You can work on this platform and access everything in Paytera without any national restrictions. Everyone can accomplish this, and you may put in as much time as you choose. You can accomplish more work and earn more money if you put more time into it. One final piece of advice is that even after you finish all the surveys, you can still take more. You may then simply press the refresh button and wait for more surveys to appear. If you opt to check them frequently or after receiving a notification inside your account, they'll show you their most recent surveys that you can use. The secret to this is to just keep doing what I've showed you to do. You can keep making money by clicking the continue button. This is something you can start relatively easy. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.